Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the O sound. This sound is usually represented by this symbol and is also known as the long O sound. Can you make the O sound? Follow these steps. First, make a circle with your lips, like this. Then, make a sound in your throat. Try it with me. Ready? O. O. Now let's practice a few words with the O sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. Open. Boat. Window. The O sound can be spelled with the letter O as in open, OA as in boat, or OW as in window. Well done! Great job! Ellii.